Today's dish is a crunchy savoury snack called Namak Pare, originating from the Indian subcontinent and usually served with a hot cup of tea.
Hi guys, thanks for joining me. My name is Shwana and this is Cooking with Shwana. We're going to be making mattia. It's a savoury fried biscuit. We normally have it as a snack, with a nice cup of tea, very Moorish, very easy to make. So we're going to start off with 450 grams of plain flour. And I've got here 85 grams of butter, which I'm going to mix in and make fine breadcrumbs. I'm going to be adding half a teaspoon of crushed black pepper, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, quarter teaspoon of ajwain seeds, which I'm just going to crush in my hands to release all those flavours, and just over half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, mix that well. I'm going to be mixing this dough with cold water. Gradually add a little at a time, because you don't want this to be a soft dough. It's got to be quite a firm dough. As you can see, as I'm mixing this dough, it takes a little time, and you've got to try and not use too much water. The softer your pastry, the softer your biscuits will be. So we want them to stay crisp. So the dough's got to be quite hard. Right, I've divided the mixture into 4 balls. Take one ball and just start rolling it out. You've got to roll this very thinly. Try not to use a lot of flour, because once you start frying them, then the flour will burn in the oil. Try and make sure the edges are thin. Once you've rolled it out thinly, I'm using a pizza cutter, so just cut strips, equal sizes, just long strips, and then cut the other way to make them into sort of like diamond shapes. Try and cut them evenly. If you get short pieces, just put them into the next ball of pastry that you're going to roll out. Right, I'm using a wok or a karai. It's got oil which has been heated over a medium flame. I'm adding all the mattia to the oil. Can you see they're coming up straight away? That's fine. Make sure the oil isn't too hot, because they'll go dark very quickly and they'll be soft. So this is a medium heat. Keep stirring them. As I'm stirring them, you can see that they're fluffing up, puffing up. Now this will take a little time. This will take a little time to fry, but as you're frying them, make sure you keep moving them around, because otherwise one side will be darker. We want an even colour. So the finished product, mattia with a nice cup of tea, just right for tea time.